While parent company HMD Global has remained tight-lipped about the launch of its next flagship smartphone, the Nokia 9, the rumor mills have revealed several key details about the device. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The smartphone is expected to be launched at MWC 2019 in Barcelona, and according to a Weibo post, the Nokia 9 is expected to be priced at 4,799 Chinese yuan, that roughly translates to 50,700 Indian rupees or $698 US. The device could feature a 5-lens camera at the back, which is to be the USP of the device. Images of the alleged prototype of the Nokia 9 has been released over and over. The images reveal that there is no fingerprint sensor at the back and hints that Nokia could either rely on just using a facial unlock feature or may include an on-display fingerprint scanner. There is very little information about how the 5-lens camera system will work. Nokia's partner company Zeiss recently patented a multiple lens system as well. The device has been leaked in the past with alleged specifications of a triple rear camera setup, including a 41-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization or OIS, along with a wide-angle lens and variable aperture between f/1.5 to f/2.4. A 20-megapixel telephoto lens is also expected on board, and a 9.7-megapixel monochrome sensor for depth sensing. Also, with HMD Global acquiring the rights to use PureView branding recently, it is highly likely that the upcoming Nokia 9 smartphone could actually offer a 41-megapixel camera as we have seen in the past. So that was it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.